Hi all, congratulations. If you are watching this, you have moved on to week 2 of our class. So I'm just going to run through your web tool like I did for last week. It's going to look extremely similar as far as how week two's website looks. You're going to have step 1, 2, and 3. The only difference is we are talking about a new text structure strategy. So we're going to be doing a little bit of a different assignment. So step 1 is going to be the same. You're going to follow the link to your reading, and you're going to move on to step 2, which today or this week we're going to be creating a timeline of events. So once you read, you're going to click on your link to the timeline web tool. This is going to help you put in order the events of the story that you finished reading. So it's going to take you right to the screen, and you're going to put in your name and title your project, and you can title it Project 1 and then maybe with your name. That's kind of up to you. Go ahead and push start down here in the corner, and it'll take you to this screen where you should just see a line here across the way. All you have to do is double click anywhere on your timeline that you want to add an event, and it's going to pull up this box here. You're going to label it. So say you want to put on your timeline an event that said the president was elected. So I'm going to write election. And then in the full description, you can go into more details. So I might say the first president elected was George Washington. It could be as simple as that. Now you can go into more detail, and I want you to make sure that we know what event you're trying to put on your timeline. So whatever you have to do to make other people understand that is what you should be adding. You can also select images. So if you decide to add images, you can use Google and the other web pages that we've looked at to help you find appropriate pictures to upload to your timeline. All you have to do there is choose image like I did, and once you have it saved to your desktop, you'll be able to pull any pictures that we've done. You've seen it done for some of our other projects, so as long as they are saved to your desktop, all you have to do is select choose an image. From there, you'll be able to organize your timeline really however you want to. So make sure it's from the beginning of our story to the end of our story over here. Once you have that done, you can select finish down here, and you can save as a draft or save as a final. If you come back to work on a project that you've already started, you'll be selecting save as a draft, and that way you can come back and add to it if you don't get it done in all done in one sitting, which is perfectly fine. If you do finish, you can save as a final draft. Make sure it's named with your first and last name, and then you go ahead and push save and save it to your desktop as your first and your last name. It will be there to take a picture of, or take a screenshot of, like I explained to the class, and that way you can then move on to the blog post, which is the same steps as we did last week. If you have questions about that, remember our questions page and feel free to come and ask me. But all you'll need to do is go back to our class blog, upload your picture, and give the feedback to your partner. Good luck, guys!